everyone, and thank you for joining me for another arts and crafts time. So today I am going to do a directed drawing inspired by the book Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ellert. This is one of my favorite books for the springtime and one of my favorite drawings to do for the springtime as well. I did it in my classroom with a few of my students and they turned out amazing. So let's get started with the step-by-step. Just like that. All right. Once you are done guiding your students step by step to create their flower garden drawing, you can let them go and add as many colors, details, and let them get a little wild with it. And it might even turn out something like this.